Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How is everyone doing today? Today we will be making a diabetic friendly breakfast. I'm going to be making oat upma. These are the steel cut oat I'm taking. Do not take the instant oats. It's going to make a mushy. See, these are the steel cut oat. Looks like that. Steel cut. So we're going to be taking this oats, and I have some chopped onions over here and some grated ginger and some curry leaves. I chopped them so you can eat them. It's good for the blood diabetics, so you don't have to remove them when you're eating them. Okay, if there's a whole leaves, you'll remove them usually. So, okay, there's some more protein over here, some cashew nuts and some peanuts, some red pepper and some green pepper. If you don't want it pepper, you don't have to put it. Okay, I have some carrots and peas. I'm adding that, and some mustard seed, probably half a spoon. 1 spoon chana dal, split chickpeas, and 1 spoon urad dal, mashki dal, black gram dal. And I have a half tomato over here. It's optional. If you want it, you can add it. If you don't want it, you don't have to add it. Okay, let's go see how to make this upma, this healthy upma. Okay, let's go. Okay, friends, we'll put a little bit of oil in there. I'm cooking in the pressure cooker, so it will cook faster because the oats will take, steel cut oats will take a little longer time to cook. So we are going to be cooking in the pressure cooker. Okay, once the oil gets hotter. Okay, friends, our oil is hot, so we're gonna add first mustard seeds. Let the mustard seed splash, crack the mustard seeds. Then you're gonna add green pepper and the red pepper, and then you're gonna add peanuts and cashew nuts. Fry a little bit for 2 minutes. Nuts will take some little bit time, more time. Okay, now we will add chana dal and urad dal. It cooks faster though. It won't take too long if everything is ready. If you cook on the stove, it will take a little longer time because the oats will, steel cut oats will take a longer time to cook. Okay, now we are going to add chopped onions and grated ginger and just curry leaves. You don't want to brown the onions, you just want to saute the onions. The rest of the stuff is ready for you. Now we will add this peas and carrots. Okay, now we will add some tomatoes. We're gonna add some salt. Salt to taste. How nice. Now we're gonna add oats. If I make this, I eat for a couple of days. 1 cup is gonna last me for a couple of days, maybe 4 days. At least 4 or 5 days I eat for breakfast. That's my breakfast. I make different breakfast for my husband and my son. I make me this breakfast usually, or maybe a mung dosa. Mung dosa is also good for the diabetes, or maybe besan chila. That's also good. I'm going to give the recipes for. I think mung dosa I already gave it to you, so I'm going to give you besan ka chila. Mung dosa, I can put the recipe in the description box for you. Okay. We're going to cook for a few minutes until the oats gets a little bit of fry, a little bit in the oil. We didn't put too much oil, we just put 2 spoons of oil. I'm going to add a little bit of ghee, half a spoon of ghee. Ghee is good for you. Okay, we're gonna add water, 1 cup, and another cup, 2 cups. Okay, 2 cups of water is enough for 1 cup of, because we are cooking in the pressure cooker, so I won't take that much water. Okay. Okay, now we're gonna add a little bit of ghee. Desi ghee, homemade, and we're gonna put the lid. We're gonna cook until 4 whistles, okay? Because this grains takes a little longer to cook. Okay, we'll come back after 4 whistles. Okay friends, it's been got 4 whistles. I turned the stove off, and I think the steam is gone, so I'm gonna open it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That's it. Oh, how nicely it's done. See, it's gonna be a little sticky, but once you gets a little bit cold, then it's gonna get a little fluffier. Okay. Okay. So let me go ahead, remove it in the dish. Okay friends, our healthy oat upma is ready. So come on, let's go eat. It's very, very yummy. So okay friends, if you like my videos, please click like and share, and please subscribe, and don't forget to press that bell icon. Whenever you press the bell icon, you will get the notification whenever I upload the new video. So you'll get chance to watch it for free for first. Okay, bye. See you next video.